Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Miles Morales in Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse. So let's get started. To draw cute Miles, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So we're going to come right here and draw a circle. And then I'm going to come right next to it, say about this wide, and draw another circle. Now that my two circles in, let's make them Draw So Cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. So now I have my eyes in, let's spruce them up a little bit and let's draw a curve over the eye just to anchor them. And come right over the eye and just draw a soft curve. Same thing over here. We're just going to hit the top and bring over a curve. And then at the bottom, we're going to do the same thing, just soft curve right at the bottom. There. And then to draw his brow, let's go up about right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw a soft arc. And same thing on the other side, about right here. Soft arc. And then from there, let's give him a cute smile. So about right here, I'm going to go up, nice and wide, and then cap it off. There. So now let's go ahead and frame his face. So we're going to come to the top of the eye, come out about right here, really close. Same thing over here. And let's draw the bottom of a U. We're going to try to angle a little bit more. So I'll give it a little bit more angle. So about right here, here, and let's say about here's my center. I want his chin to be about right about there. So I'm going to come angle, give him a jawline, and bring this down towards my point. About right there, I'll flatten it a little bit for a chin. And then same thing here. So a little bit angle, where's jaw, and then in. There. Okay, so then from there, let's see here, let's bring this up a tiny little bit more. Just a little bit. And then we're going to go up. So we're going to draw his hairline. And so let's say about right here. I'm going to go up to about right there. And then I'm just going to curve all the way across. So we're going to do the same thing about right here. It's easier for my hand to come down. And then I'll just go ahead and connect. There. And then let's come back about right here. We're going to draw his ear. Draw a curve, and I'll just draw in some details. So same thing here. And then now his hair. So let's go about right here, and we're going to angle out. So right there, let's angle it out. Same thing on this side. And then we're just going to draw a bunch of curves at the top. And make it nice and full. So it's about right here. We're just going to go up, and so we just want to draw this curve with a bunch of curves that goes around. So let's say about right here. There's going to be one a little bit more distinct poof about right here. And then we can bring it in. So just remember, you're still going around. Go all the way, sometimes small, big, and then just kind of bring it back in. There, so hopefully I've captured the texture, and then you can come in here, give it some curves. There. Okay, so now that we have that, and hopefully it looks like him a little bit, and then let's draw his body. So I'm having him in his suit. So let's come about right here. Give a little neck, actually a thicker neck, about right there, and then we're going to angle this out. Nice wide shoulders and down. And down. Then let's see here. Let's kind of imagine his armpit area would be about right here and here. And we're going to angle it in. So let's draw a slight angle, both sides, to give him that superhero chest. And then from there, let's just start to bring it in. Okay, so then let's see here. Before I do that, finish that, let's come right here. I'm just going to draw a curve. And let's find out, let's see where we want to start his legs. So I'm going to say about right here in the center. I'm going to give myself a slight angle line about right there. Then I'm going to come in the center, and then we're going to flare out on both sides, just so we know how far to bring everything. So let's bring this down. So let's work on this side first. So I'm just totally simplifying this. So let's say about right here, his thigh, and then you can give it a little bulge if you want for his calf, but kind of gets complicated. You can just go straight down. So say about right there. And then we're going to angle it out, curve it out, I mean. And then right here for his heel. And connect. So same thing on this side. Right here, you can give it a little bulge. Then bring it in. Same thing here. Little curve. All the way down to about right there. And once again, just like the other side, curve out and connect for his feet. Okay, so then let's finally draw his hands. So we want his hands a little bit bent and hands to be about right here. So let's go about right here and here. I'll go down for that superhero stance. Stick it all up. Bring it down. So then about right here, we're going to wobble and connect. Just that little line right there. So same thing on this side. Well, bring this in a little bit more. So same thing on this side. To about right there. And same. Distance, so let's go ahead and thicken it all up. And once again, come out, wobble, and connect in a little line. And that is pretty much it for the drawing, but we need to put in his awesome Spider-Man logo right here. So I'm going to switch to a red Sharpie so I can hopefully draw this for you. So let's come back in here. So let's start with a circle first. So kind of know how big we want it in this area right here. And go ahead and start with a circle. And let's see, some parts are a little bit thicker. So like say here, it's thick and thin. And then the spider, of course, right in the center. So just to make it a little bit easier, I'm just gonna come right in the center and draw this oval shape first, right in the center. shade it in, and then very important, we need these two little prongs first. Make sure we have that, and then we're going to draw let's see, two legs going up here. So let's go up, and then one more here. And thicken it up. So this should be more of a point, but I guess my Sharpie is a little too, I didn't make it sharp enough, but do the same thing here. So please bear with me as I draw this, try to draw it. Just make sure this is a little bit higher than this one. And then the bottom legs, gonna angle out and then bring it down. One out here. And same thing here. And one more. So it's almost like I'm coloring and drawing at the same time. So I'm just trying to try and match the other side. And let's see. So then on the body right here, it makes it look like paint is dripping. So I'm just going to come right here and wobble a little bit. And here as well. So once we set in the black, it'll look a lot better. Because right now it's just on white, so it doesn't come out as much as well. But hopefully I've helped you. It's a little bit crooked, huh? Hopefully I've helped you, like I said today, to figure out how to draw this Spider-Man logo on his suit. And I really hope I helped you draw Miles today, fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.